Alright, so let's review the Aqua di Joe Profumo of HSI Signature Premium. Let's go. Smell test na agad natin para. So yun. Okay naman. Unfortunately guys, Aqua di Joe Profondo yung meron sa akin. Wala akong Profumo. Kasi laging walang stock sa Profumo, but let's see. By the way guys, Aqua di Joe Profumo won the best fresh fragrance of 2023 based on Fragnatica, so we're expecting a lot here. Okay, so as I said, unfortunately wala tayong comparison to see its closeness, pero scent wise, it smells so nice. It's an aquatic citrusy fragrance, nothing too surprising, hindi siya ganun ka-special. For me, it's nice, to be honest with you. I like the scent. It would be better compared to Eclat or Invictus Aqua or Dilando. I actually like Aqua di Joe in terms of their freshness. I really like it. So lang yun nga. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung longevity and projection niya. So let's make an SOTD out of this one. Sakto bibili ako ng laptop. So samahan niya ako test yung longevity and projection niya. How many sprays would I recommend on this one? 5 to 7 siguro. So let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And also, maglagay tayo dito for testing. So, 7 sprays. And medyo mainit ngayon, so sakto. Very extreme conditions. Tignan natin kung magtatagal ba siya or kung magpro-project ba siya. Let's go. So yun guys, naka-ready na ako. So, I'm combining 2 hobbies in one. That's why there is the Motafrog Talks. Let's go. So yun lang po. Malamig na hangin sa gabing malan. Try ko nga kung maka-top speed ako. Sayang, na top speed. Pero okay na din siguro. 90? 93 ba yun? Yun nga guys, just got home. Init. Yeah, mag-unbox muna ako guys. Unbox ko lang muna tong bagong laptop ko. This is Asus ROG Zephyrus. Mali pala, Asus ROG Strix Zephyrus. So yun. Late lang kasi harap ng girlfriend ko. Actually, this is not for me. This is for my girlfriend. So, yeah. Teacher na ang gamit, gaming laptop. Panis, no? Next natin siya guys. So, ano siya? Yo. Asus baka naman. ROG baka naman, oh. Mga pala yung libre ng bag. So, steam bag lang naman siya. As you can see, diba? Yo! So, ROG, baka naman! Chinese. Ano tayo, Kong? Ano ko, pre? Kong TV? Hindi ka ganun, boy. You're just a nobody. Parang kabuksan po siya. Ay, ganito. Diba? Boom! Kapanis, unboxing experience 101. Ganda. Parang ang ganda. Look at that, pre, oh. Init, what the heck? Pawis na ako. Wait lang. Okay, masyadong ma-focus na. Pero, let's continue the unboxing, pre. Ang ganda ng presentation niya. Mwah! May bagong laptop par. Ito yung mga accessories. What is this? Wala, manuals lang. Pucha. Hype na yun. This is the charger. Hindi, charger lang siya. Okay. Charger and another... Ba't dalawa? Huh? Ba't dalawa yung port niya? Anong meron? Wait lang. I'm curious pare. Oh! So meron siyang Type-C charger. Ito siya guys. And meron siyang power brick charger. If I'm not mistaken. Yun. So we have a power brick. And we also have a Type-C. Good job Asus. Good job. Anyways. Init na so papalamig na muna ako. Peace yun lang. Okay, so final thoughts and comments about the performance of HSI Signature Premium Ako de Joe Profumo. So far, 4 na oras ako nawala dito. And 12:13, nandito na ako, nag-film na ako. Nakapag-edit na ako, kumain na ako at lahat-lahat. And as you can see, sa video ko naman, bumiyahe ako and sobrang init sa lugar namin ngayon dito sa Dagupan. So yun, so far, 4 hours yun. So I expect 5 to 6 hours longevity, which is good since it is a fresh fragrance. So good job doon, HSI. Kaso ito yung napansin ko. Hindi ganoon ka-loud yung production niya. It's just average. Hindi ganoon ka-loud. So meaning, it's just a subtle fragrance na kapag in close encounter, maamoy ka nila pero hindi yung tipo ng parang room filler. So, I guess okay lang din siya since naghahanap pa lang naman ng something na okay lang. Okay? For me, it will be a good pang school or pang office na fragrance since hindi siya ganoon ka-loud. Hindi ka makaka-offer ng ibang tao. So, if you're looking for a good summer fragrance na gagamitin mo sa school, office, beach, or if gusto mo lang na something fresh fragrance, then I would recommend you Signature Premium Ako de Joe Profumo. Anyways, yun na guys. Peace!